with Modi's swearing-in ceremony set to take place in a day's time, preparations and build-up around the gala event have amplified. Modi will be sworn in as the Prime Minister tomorrow at 7:15 p.m. for the third consecutive time. Following the Neighbourhood First policy, 7 leaders from the neighbouring countries have been invited for the event.
इन 10 साल के कार्यकाल के दरमियान भारत की वैश्विक जो छवि बनी है, दुनिया के लिए एक विश्व बंधु के रूप में भारत उभरा है, इसका मैक्सिमम एडवांटेज अब शुरू हो रहा है। और मुझे पक्का विश्वास है ये 5 वर्ष वैश्विक परिवेश में भी भारत के लिए बहुत उपयोगी होने वाले हैं।
Now, let's tell you who are the foreign leaders who are going to be attending the swearing-in ceremony. The top leaders of Sri Lanka, Maldives, Bhutan, Nepal, Mauritius are likely to attend. Sources say the invitations of the dignitaries was guided by the Neighbourhood First policy and its strategic focus on island nations, which is considered important in the Indian Ocean region. The first international guest to arrive in India to attend the swearing-in ceremony of the Prime Minister designate is Sheikh Hasina, the Prime Minister of Bangladesh. She arrived in the Delhi International Airport. And next, the Vice President of Seychelles, Ahmed Afif, is also all set to be arriving. The BJP has made a special arrangement for the ceremony tomorrow as well. Sources say that it's not just the foreign dignitaries who are going to come in. There are also going to be special guests. 200 influential people from Ayodhya and Kashi have also been invited. The BJP state presidents have reportedly been instructed to also celebrate the swearing-in ceremony at the Mandal offices across the country. The national capital has also meanwhile turned into a fortress, with the police beefing up security. Special security arrangements have been made in the hotels where the dignitaries would be staying. The police have also imposed prohibition on flying of drones, paragliders and paramotors for the next 2 days.
The national capital is gearing up for the third time swearing-in ceremony of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, but certainly looking at the kind of external threat which is there 24/7 in the national capital, all the best possible security arrangements are being made. On Friday, the Commissioner of Police, Sanjay Arora, himself visited the President House, and he has also taken stock of the security situation. The Delhi Police has already come up with their advisory that no drones, micro-light aircraft, balloons, nothing, no flying objects, no drones will be allowed to fly over this area, because 7 foreign dignitaries, Prime Minister, Vice President of the country, as well as the President herself will be there for this gala event, where more than 8,000 people are expected to attend this event. At this moment, what we have got to know that the chairs have been placed, the security arrangement has been done, and the Delhi police has also done the security arrangement of the outer periphery of this area. There will be 7 dignitaries who will be coming here, and for each dignitary, the route map has been decided.